Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. This side Brijesh. So from today I am going to start a Linux tutorial. Okay, on this channel. So today we will install Red Hat on the VMware. Okay, so let's start now. So I'm just going to open, and you can see here a virtual machine. Okay, so just click here, create a new virtual machine. Then click on next. I will install the operating system later. Yes, I'm going to install. Then click on next. Linux, we have to choose here Linux, then version. If you are installing Ubuntu or CentOS, so you can choose from here. So I am going to install Red Hat 864-bit. So I am just going to choose this option, then click on next. Then if you want to give any name, so you can define here name also, and location would be. So I am just going to choose according to my location. Disk virtual machine. Okay, now finish, then click on next. Maximum disk size should be 20 GB. Okay guys, so then next, then finish it. So now your virtual machine has been created, but we have to choose image also guys. So for that we have to come on CD and DVD. Then we have to choose here use ISO image file. So I'm just going to browse it. I have already downloaded guys Red Hat 8.5, you can see here, which is 64-bit. So just going to select and open. Then okay. Okay, now we have to power on the virtual machine guys. So you can see it's starting. Now here guys you can see we have three options: install Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8.5, then we have test this media and install Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8.5. So and troubleshooting also. So we are going to choose first option. Okay, just press Ctrl plus G, then you will able to up and down guys. Ctrl plus G, up and down. Wait guys. Now you can see. So I'm going to choose first option, install Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8.5, then enter. So now it's starting. You can see here. You can see guys, it's started. Now it's starting installer. So now guys, you can see here. Welcome to Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8.5. So to direct input to this VM, click inside or press Ctrl plus G. So I'm just going to press Ctrl plus G. Okay, then click on continue. So now guys, you can see here keyboard, connect to Red Hat, installation, destination, language, support, time and date. So we have to choose all the option. Okay, one by one. So now I'm just going to select India, then done. Now installation media, oh sorry, installation destination. So we are going to customize it. Just done. Then click on add, choose here slash, it should be 15 GB at least. Okay, then click on add to mount. Now one more, we have to choose boot one also, it should be 500 MB at least. Okay, it's done guys. Now we can done it. Okay, now we have to accept these changes. Okay, I'm not going to connect from the Red Hat. Okay, KDump is already enabled. You can see network and host name. I'm going to define it, guys. So local host, that would be just going to local host. Okay, that's it. Then done it. Now we have to give root password. So I am just going to give it. Okay, then click on done. I am just going to create one user also, Brijesh. Okay, and I am going to make this user as a administrator. Okay, that's it. Now, and guys, software selection, in the software selection we have to choose server with GUI, because of we have so many services here. And if you will select minimal installation, so you are going to get only interact with only command line. Okay, there will be no GUI. And if you will install server, so there would be services let less but with the GUI. Okay, I am not going to select workstation customize virtualization host, so just click on server with GUI always. Okay, then done it. Now wait guys, begin the installation. Installation has been started. It will guys take 10 to 15 minutes. So I will continue video from there. Okay, so let's I'm going to pause it. So you can see guys here, once your installation will be complete, so you will see like this kind of wizard. Okay, so after complete the installation we have to reboot it. Okay, so I'm just going to reboot it, so please wait. So you can see guys here, we have to accept license also. So just click on accept, then done. Okay, now just finish the installation. So now guys, you can see here login panel has been displayed. So I'm just going to log in. Okay, I have login guys. So now you can see here guys, our installation has been completed. successfully. Okay, and guys, if you don't know how to download Red Hat, so I will just tell you. Okay, so first of all you have to come on the browser. Okay, then type here just. So guys, just type here download. So guys, just type here download Red Hat RHEL 8. Then you will able to find Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8 for development. So just click on that. Now you can see here download RHEL. So okay guys. So to download ISO guys, you have to just scroll down little bit. Okay. You are not able to see here. Okay, no issue. Click on download RHEL. Okay. It will give one pop-up for the login. See guys, here you can see 8.5.0 and 9 version also has been released, which is beta version for testing purpose. So I'm not going to download that. I have to download this one. Okay. So once you will click on download guys, now it will give one pop-up for the login. You can see login in Red Hat IDP. See guys. So if you do not have ID, so first of all you have to register here, then you will be able to download guys. Okay. So hope you have loved this video and thanks for watching guys. Now I have started back to back Linux video will be on my channel guys. So please once subscribe. So here I am just going to choose next, skip. That's it. Now you can see here start using Red Hat Linux. So you can see guys here. Okay. So thank you for watching and really have a nice day.